Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Olivier and Alima. Today I'm going to show you how to find evergreen dishes for your Mesh by Amazon business or any other print on demand. Let's get right into it. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. The tool we're going to use today to find our evergreen design is Podly. Why Podly? And why a paid tool? Because what I'm going to show you, we cannot do it with a free tool. And even if you want to do it for free, looking on Amazon, it's going to take you a lot of time, a lot of research, but you can have the result really faster using a paid tool like a Podly. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a custom filter here. When you log into Podly, if you don't have access yet, there's a link in the description that you can use where you will have 20% discount. We're going to work here on the average BSR. With the average BSR of 30 days, we're gonna have products that are seller and are consistent seller. Okay, I'm gonna look for a product that in the last 30 days have a BSR between 100,000 and 300,000. This is a good average BSR range. So this is what we're gonna use as a filter in terms of average BSR. And I'm gonna click on search. When you click on search, only filtering by this average BSR, you're gonna find a few Halloween design, etc. I don't want Halloween design. I only want evergreen design. So I'm gonna exclude a few terms here. Okay. So I'm gonna remove, for example, Halloween. And I'm gonna remove again pumpkin. And we're gonna see what we have if we can remove a few again. So I click on search again. Then what do I have? I can see that I have no more Halloween or pumpkin design. When I review the list, I can see that I have BSR that are 10,000 or less than 100,000. So I'm going to add another filter. I'm going to ask for BSR range now, 100,000. Okay, so we have then three filters. BSR range 100,000, average BSR last 30 days between 100,000 and 300,000, and then I remove the Halloween and pumpkin word. I click on search, and now this is what I have. Now let's review this list of design. SWAT, I'm gonna stay away from everything which is police or military, because this is a group of American US police, like special police, so I don't want to use that, even if, because I don't know if it's trademark or if at some point it's gonna be trademark, so I'd rather stay away from that. And I see here, this one is made in 1942, 80 years old. So certainly people with 80 years old are buying a lot of t-shirt, because you can see the average BSR is very good. Let's check the competition on this one. To check the competition, I'm gonna open it in incognito mode. Very important to open a brand new incognito mode, and you go to amazon.com. I'm gonna change the delivery here to have a zip code US or a US one, and I'm gonna look for this one, which is made in 1942. Made in 1942. What I'm looking when I type in made in 1942 here, I would like to have an auto completion. It is very important when you are typing your keyword here that you find an auto suggestion from Amazon. If what you are typing does not include auto suggestion from Amazon, just leave it. Okay, do not use it. The auto suggestion app here that I'm using is 𝗘𝗫𝗧𝗏. It's free to have this one, so you can use the link in the description, and you're gonna download the Chrome extension 𝗘𝗫𝗏. We're gonna give you that. So I'm gonna click on made in 1942 t-shirt. Competition 6,000, so it's too high. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, because we don't want to use ad. But if you want to use ad, you can create a design based on 80 years old, and you're gonna create and you're gonna make some ads. Certainly, if your design is good, you're gonna make a rank. You're gonna make sale. So let's check for another design. Here's something very interesting. Only text design. I'm here because you broke something. So I'll go again into my mesh, into my amazon.com, and I'm gonna type in I'm here because you, and let's see what you have. I'm here because you broke something on sticker, on t-shirt, etc. And here what is interesting, when you are using the Helium 10 Chrome extension, you can see I'm here, you broke something t-shirt, and we can see that the search volume is going up. Okay, so very interesting. That's why I like Helium 10 Chrome extension, this Chrome extension, because it shows you the trends. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one to see the competition. I can see here 116. So this is pretty good. Yes, I know that if you go to page 3, for example, you're gonna have much more than the 116. But if we go there, and I'm gonna show it to you right now, you're gonna find out that not all the design are saying this phrase. For example, on page 3, the first line, I can see mécanique supérieure maîtrisée, maths admitted, etc. So not all the 4,000 results that we have here are saying this exact phrase, but we know that people are typing exactly this phrase. That's why we would like to look for it. Okay, you will have again. Okay, so that's why I like to see so that's why when I see 116 here on the feature design, I know that these are the design really related to my code, to the code. So this one, I'm gonna save it. Okay, so with Podly, what you're gonna do, I can go up here first, and I'm gonna group it here. I'm gonna select Evergreen. This is how I can favorite. I can add groups. So I have a few groups here. I'm gonna do Evergreen. I will go here on the design that I would like to save, and I'm gonna click on this heart here. Okay, and it's gonna save it onto my Evergreen design. Not a lot going on at the moment. Let's check if this one is auto completed. Not a lot going on at the moment. You can see as well that it's in the uptrend and even a lot. Let's check that. Competition 2000. Okay, if you are in lower tier, the competition is really high. But because when you are looking here on the search term, you can see that the volume is very high. The trend is really high, even bigger, even higher than the one that we saw previously. So I may be interested in doing it, because what Amazon is doing, when there is a lot of research, it will move the design a lot. Okay, so you can have your change. If you see that the trend is up, is really up, as you can see here. And just to show you rapidly, not a lot going on at the moment. You can see that the trend is 2000 something. But if I go back to the first design, that was I'm here because you broke something. Let's type in rapidly. I'm here because you broke something. You can see that it was only 54. Okay, so 54 compared to the 2000. I'm really interested in doing this design, not to go at the moment, because of the search volume. Okay, and when I review this page, I see that almost all of them are white with a black text. Okay, so maybe you can do something different. I don't know why it's white with black text, but maybe you can do a black t-shirt with white text or multicolor like this one. Of course, do your due diligence to know if this is trademarked or no. Let's find another one just for the sake. It's not easy being my wife. You can see it's not easy being my wife. I'm Candy. Search volume high. Okay. Search volume trend. We have a search volume trend here 9%. So good, and it's up. Let's check here the competition. You can see here 1000. But as I said again, because the search volume trend is up, I may be interested in create design like that. You can see those one here with reviews. This is the one that we saw on Podly, and you can see that all of them here have reviews. Okay, so with you, I was able to find 3 designs with good BSR, with competition that are going up. This is what you're gonna do using Podly. Remember, there's a link in the description where you can have access with 20% discount. If you find any value in this video, please consider like and subscribe. and activate the notification bell for any further video. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.